Good evening, kids. Today we are going to start our first chapter of SST, that is the parallels and meridians. So first topic of this chapter is the parallels of latitude. The line that runs from east to west or west to east direction, that is called as the parallel of latitude. The parallel of latitude have been named so because they are parallel to each other and these lines never meet and their distance always remains same along their length. Here is the longest latitude, that is the equator, which lies at a 0 degree, and this equator divides the globe into two hemispheres, that is the northern hemisphere which lies at the northern side, and second is the southern hemisphere which lies at the southern side. Now there are two important parallels lie between equator and North Pole. First is Arctic Circle that lies at 66.5 degree north side, and second is Tropic of Cancer that lies in 23.5 degree north side. Same as this, we have a Tropic of Capricorn which lies at a 23.5 degree south, and next is near to the pole, that is Antarctic Circle which lies at 66.5 degree south side. Next are topic of meridian of longitude. A meridian of longitude or a meridian is the curve of imaginary semicircle that joins two poles north and south. This is the prime meridian which lies at 0 degree. This passes through Greenwich, England. This meridian is marked as 0 degree. Now same as equator, this meridian divides the globe into two halves. First is western hemisphere which lies at western side, and second is the eastern hemisphere which lies at the eastern side. Now if we talk about the meridians and time, so mostly time does not match. There is a difference between places on a different meridian. Like if the places of the same meridian, they have the same time, and if we talk about the places of different meridians, their time is also different. Not on a globe, but parallel and meridian also help us to find the place on a map because they divide the surface of Earth into a grid pattern. If we know which part of the grid to look, we can quickly find a place on a map.